Alright, here's something worthy of a discussion. That post I made the other day about kind of simulating a digital 3-0 flange with the Mobius. Now, if some of you try this with the warped vinyl, something that some of you might run into is some funny noise. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There we go. Do you hear that? I've had a couple people write to me when they have put their warped vinyl into any flanger. So signal chain going into warped vinyl and then into flanger and then out. So if you turn off the vinyl, that goes away. Turn it back on. So I'm going to zoom in on this Boss ES8 here for just a minute. One of the cool things you can do on this Boss is you can change your signal path to any configuration on the fly. So I realize the display looks kind of funny. So my warped vinyl is patch number 5 and my Mobius is patch number 8. So if you can see here, signal is going this way. I have number 5 going into number 8. Now when I swap that order and make 8 go into 5, that sound is gone. Back over. There it is again. So if anybody is trying to do this and getting that funny noise, just change your signal path. You have to run your flange before your warped vinyl. Flange into vinyl. Well, unless you're trying to get that sound. Maybe you are.